Hello everyone, welcome to the Anis Academy. Today I have brought 5 amazing calculation tricks for you all so that after watching this video you will be able to do the calculation with a lightning speed. So don't miss this video, watch till end. Okay, let's get started. So first trick which I have brought you is with the multiplication with 11. Okay, so let me know that how fast can you write the result of these numbers. Without even multiplication you can write. So how? I'll tell you. It's very simple. 3 5, so just write 3 here, 5 here, and then what are we going to do is 3 plus 5 is 8. We have to write the sum of these two digits over here. So similarly for 45 we can write here like this. Isn't it simple, friends? So friends, using our second trick, we are going to solve these big multiplications in a fraction of seconds. Okay, so let us see how I am going to solve. Okay, first one I will be doing very slowly, explain you. Second one we will be doing it faster. Okay, so for these numbers, wherever you can see the first two digit is 1010, what you can do is you write it here 104 plus 2. We have to bring this number over here. So this will give us the result 106. We can write it over there. Now there is one more step. This is step 1. Step 2, what are we going to do is 4 and 2. This we are going to multiply. 4 into 2. And we will write the result in a 2-digit format. So 2-digit format is 8. So 08 we will write here. Okay. So this is the result for 104 multiplied with 102. Let us do this using the same trick, friends. 106 multiplied plus 8. So this will give us 86 plus 8 is 14. 114. So we can write here 114. And then next step, this is first step. Second step, 6 into 8 we will be doing. 6 into 8. 8 6 are 48. So we will write here 48. So we have got the result very quickly. Now let us do one more problem. One more problem could be 109 into 106. So we can do 109 plus 6, which will give 9 plus 6 is 15. 115. We will write it here. And then next step we can do is 9 into 6. So 9 6 are 54. So we will write it here 54. So as you can see, without even doing the traditional method of multiplication, we can directly write the results just by following these two simple, very simple steps. Okay, so this was our second trick. Now let us move on to the third trick. So friends, in our third trick, we are going to learn this type of multiplication. Okay, so first one is very simple. We can write just one. But what about the next? How can we write it? So even without doing the multiplication. So just follow it with me. I'm going to write the results. Meanwhile, I'll explain it. So here you can see there are only 2 digits. So what are we going to do is we will write 1, 2, and then we will do the reverse. After 2 digits, we will start doing the reverse. So reverse is 1, 2, and then after 2 we will go back to 1. So 1. Now here you can see there are 3 digits. So we will write 1, 2, 3. Then we will, after writing the 3 digits here, we will start going back. So after 3 we will do 2, 1. This is the answer. Here you can see there are 4 digits in each number. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's start going back. So 3, 2, 1. Now in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 numbers are there. So we will write the result as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then start going backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the answer, friends. Hope you have enjoyed this trick. Okay, now let us move on to the next trick. So using our fourth trick, friends, we are going to solve these multiplications. So what are these multiplications? If you actually observe, these are the multiplications, these are the squares of numbers ending at 5. Okay, so very quickly using this trick we will be able to calculate these answers. So how to do the square of a number ending with 5? Okay, what you have to do is just write 5 5s are 25 at the end. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Now here what will come? We can see we have number called 4. So what will be doing is we will do 4 and multiplied with the next digit. So after 4 the next digit is 5, right? 4 5s are 20. So we will write here 20. So 2025 is the answer for this. Now let us do the second one. Very quickly we will complete all these, friends. Don't worry, there are so many, but very quickly we will complete. 5 5s are 25. Then the next digit for 5 is 6, right? So 5 multiplied with 6 is 30, right? So we will write here 30. This is the answer. Now let us do 65 into 65. So just write 25. Okay, now 6 is the digit, so we will write 6 into next digit of 6 is 7. 7 6 is 42, so we will write here 42. Okay, similarly 25, 7 next digit is 8, right? 8 7 is 56. Here again 25. Now 8 next digit to 8 is 9. 8 9s are 72. Okay, now we have 25, 9, and the next digit to 9 is 10. So 9 10s are 90, and we have here 3 digit number as well. So what are we going to do is 5 5s are 25, 10, next digit is 11, right? So 10 into 11 is 110. So this is how we can quickly completed this square of 2 digit number, even 3 digit also, which is ending with 5. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this trick. Now let's move on to the last trick for this video, trick number 5. So friends, using our fifth trick, we are going to complete this table, which is 99 table. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. I'll just write the answers. Hope you will follow with me. So first write 9 for each one of them. Now what are we going to do is, we will write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then again we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have completed this. Okay. So this was our trick number 5. Hope you have enjoyed this video, friends. Okay. Please share it with your friends. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. We will very soon meet in the new video.